Now we're going to be trying some basic addition on the abacus. So let's start with this one. 5, add 1. Well, is 1 on top or on the bottom? 1 is on the bottom, so I'm going to use my thumb and add 1. And now I'm going to add 2 more. So let's see. 1, 2. And now I can figure out what my answer is. Answer is 8. How do I know? 5, 6, 7, 8. Your answer is 8. And I'm going to do this one. On the screen you see 2, add 7, take away 1. So I'm going to add 2 with my thumb. 1, 2. Then I'm going to add 7 more. Now this is tricky. Don't get mixed up. It's 7 more. So we have to add 5 with our pointer, and then 6, 7, because these two do not count. You're adding 7 more. And now we need to take away 1. Now where's my 1? Of course it's right down here. You just take 1 right away with your pointer finger, take away 1. And then what is our answer? Let's count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Our answer is 8. Let's try another one. Now we have 2, add 1, and add 5 more. Let's add 2 first. Do I use my pointer or my thumb? Thumbs up, I use my thumb. So I'm going to add 2. 1, 2. Then I'm going to add 1 more with my thumb, and then I'm going to add 5. Now, do I use my pointer or my thumb to add 5? I'm going to use my pointer on top, and I'm going to add 5. What is our answer? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8! You're a genius. Very good job. Now try some of these with me. We're going to clear our abacus, and we're going to try these. 3, add 1, add 5. Let's see. 3, add 1 more, and then add 5 with your pointer. Answer is 9. Very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're so smart. Let's try the next one. 5, add 1, and add 2 more. 1, 2. What's our answer? 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. You're getting it. Now let's try this one. Now here's a tricky one because there's a takeaway, so we need to try this. Let's see. 5 with our pointer, add 1 with our thumb, and now there's this little dash there. What does that little dash mean? It means takeaway. That little dash on your screen means takeaway. So we're going to take away 1 from the answer bar. And our answer is 5. So easy, very good. Let's practice taking away a little bit more. We're going to do 7 first. 5, 6, 7. And I love how you're using your fingers the right way. Now we're going to take away 2. 1, 2. And we are going to add 1 more. 1. Excellent job. What's your answer? 5, 6. That's right. Very good. We're going to clear our abacus. And the last one we're going to do is a little bit tricky, so don't get stuck. We're going to try with 9 in the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to take away 6. 5, 6. And we are going to add 1. And what is our answer? 4. You're so smart. Good job.